Hi everyone, my name is Marian, your technology friend. And today we're taking a look at Coral Vision's newest head unit called CarPlay Pro. Why is it Pro, you may ask? Because it not only supports wireless CarPlay, but also wireless AirPlay, meaning you can mirror your phone directly to the head unit. Additionally, for the first time, wireless Android Auto is also supported for the Android users out there. But those are not the only differences. We're gonna go through all of them in this video, so watch until the end. By the way, if you like Apple content or tech content just like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm putting out weekly Apple-related content every week. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and about 9,000 have already signed up, so I can tell you that it is worth it. Have you done it? Alright, let's start the review of this Coral Vision CarPlay Pro. Just so we're all on the same page, let's dive in first with what this product is. Essentially, this product is a CarPlay or Android Auto head unit that doesn't require you to replace your stock car stereo. It is super easy to install. You don't have to have any tools or remove your car stereo, which is perfect for people who don't tinker with their cars, just like me. When I got the first version of this product, which by the way, I have a full review that you can access right here, I was truly impressed because it had a good screen, good enough performance, and I was able to get to experience CarPlay without having to buy one of the newer model cars. But now we have the second iteration, which has some nice upgrades. Two of them I have mentioned already at the start of the video, which is wireless Android Auto and wireless AirPlay. Wireless Android Auto I was able to try by borrowing my colleague's phone, and it works as well as wireless CarPlay. Wireless AirPlay, on the other hand, is quite handy. So basically, AirPlay lets you mirror anything on your phone screen onto the head unit. This means you can play YouTube, Netflix, show pictures, videos, anything that's on your iPhone screen into a 7-inch IPS display. Now, very important, I am not advocating to do this while on the road. Only use wireless AirPlay if you are parked. Driving is a responsibility, not a privilege, so please be safe. I like this feature because there will be times that you have to wait in the car and you want a bigger screen to watch some videos and pass some time. One drawback with AirPlay though is that you cannot route audio to another Bluetooth device while using AirPlay. Sound has to go to the AirPlay device, so if you don't have your CarPlay head unit connected to your car stereo via aux cable or FM transmitter, the sound will come out on the CarPlay head unit's 3-watt speaker, which is pretty bad. Speaking of sound and the aux cable, this has changed a little bit as well. So before, on my review of the first version, I said that routing your audio to your car stereo via Bluetooth will have better sound quality versus using the aux cable. Not anymore in this version. So the CarPlay Pro has now been updated to have improved sound performance. Using the aux cable to connect your head unit to your car stereo is now the best way to enjoy your music's sound quality, and it is slightly better than connecting your phone directly to your car stereo via Bluetooth. For the FM transmitter, sound quality of that is still the worst, but you still have that option if you prefer it. And oh, by the way, the aux cable included is now 1.5 meters versus 0.5 meters before. So if the aux port of your car is far away, you can reach it easier now with a 1.5 meter cable. Next segment I want to talk about is the microphone quality, because this has been a well-requested test from the old video. Basically, on the Pro version, microphone quality has been improved tremendously that my Hey Siri... Hopefully I don't... So like I said, microphone quality has been improved tremendously that my Hey is now being recognized even while driving on noisy roads. So here, give it a listen compared to the old CarPlay head unit.
Okay, this is a test of the microphone from the CarPlay version 1. So how's it going? How does it sound? Alright, now I'm testing the microphone quality of the CarPlay Pro. How does the mic sound, guys? Please let me know in the comments below.
So the old one has this loud buzz on the background, while the CarPlay Pro, while still has noise on the background, it is a lot better than the older one. It also has better clarity since I can understand myself better, which is why I think Siri can hear me better as well. but it is overall better. Another difference that this CarPlay Pro have versus the older one is performance. Coral Vision mentioned that its CPU is 30% faster, which translates to 50% faster boot speed and 50% wireless connection stability. In my experience, although there is improvement in performance, I don't think it is 30 to 50% faster. It's definitely better than the old one. Siri finally doesn't stutter as much, scrolling is smoother, but it's not yet iPhone level smooth. It's probably on the same level as a mid-range Android device, and it works but not exceptionally smooth. Finally, the last upgrade that this CarPlay Pro have versus the older one is that it has a USB-C port now on the side, which is usually an indicator that this device is living in the 2020 era. This port can support charging up to 1.5 amps versus 0.5 amps on the old CarPlay head unit that only has USB-A. And this is also where you plug in your iPhone or Android if you choose to go wired CarPlay or Android Auto. Oh, and also small spec bump, it is now using Bluetooth 4.2 instead of 4.1. Those are mainly all the upgrades of the CarPlay Pro versus the first version of the CarPlay head unit by Coral Vision. The screen remained unchanged. It is still a 7-inch IPS display, which is quite good. It still has a USB-A port where you can input a USB stick and play movies or show pictures. It no longer has a micro SD card slot, which was basically swapped for the USB-C port. And contents of the box are also the same. It still has a suction cup, a stand, glass plate, rubber padding, 1.5 meter aux cable, and a rear camera included. Overall, I think it is a good upgrade from the old one, especially if you're using Android and want a wireless experience. The inclusion of AirPlay is also appreciated as an Apple user, and the USB-C port is a good addition in case you want to charge your phone fast. I believe this is still a great device to get CarPlay on a relatively older car without having to replace your built-in car stereo. Personally, I will use this in my car so I have good software interface in the car. If you are interested in buying this product, I will leave a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like, share this video, and subscribe to the channel so we hit 10,000 subscribers as soon as possible. By the way, shouts to Angelica for following me on Twitter. If you want to get a shout out as well, consider giving me a tip on Buy Me a Coffee using the link in my description, and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook with the username @Mauyoni. While waiting for my next videos, click on this playlist right here to watch more of my Apple content. Alright, so that's it. Thank you guys for watching. This has been Marian, your technology friend, and I'll see you on my next video.